مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
In the name of Allah, dear students of the Smart Student School, welcome in our English online course. Students in grade 6, I wish you all a good time as well as a maximum benefit. Our lesson today, Grammar in Conversation, Unit 8, Lesson 4. We people share lots of ideas. Sometimes we agree with each other and sometimes we don't. Today, we will learn how to agree with so and neither. We will start with this activity, listen and answer. Let's listen carefully. Open your pupil's book, page 88. Grammar in Conversation. Activity 1. Listen and read. This is a dialogue between Alice and Lucy. Please listen carefully.
Activity 1. Listen and read.
Oh, look! I'm in the poetry competition. Congratulations! So am I. Reciting poems is fun, isn't it? Yes, I like it a lot. Me too. Have you got a long poem? No, I only have a short poem. So do I. I'm not good at remembering long poems. Neither am I. I don't like reciting long poems to an audience. Neither do I. But I don't mind reciting a short poem. Really? To tell the truth, I'm not very confident. Me neither.
Now, dear students, let's listen once again.
Pupils Book, Unit 8, page 88. Grammar in Conversation. Activity 1. Listen and read.
Oh, look! I'm in the poetry competition. Congratulations! So am I. Reciting poems is fun, isn't it? Yes, I like it a lot. Me too. Have you got a long poem? No, I only have a short poem. So do I. I'm not good at remembering long poems. Neither am I. I don't like reciting long poems to an audience. Neither do I. But I don't mind reciting a short poem. Really? To tell the truth, I'm not very confident. Me neither.
Now, after we have listened twice, let's do this activity. You will decide whether the sentences are true or false according to the dialogue. Number 1. Both Alice and Lucy are in the poetry competition. Let's check. Look at the dialogue. Alice, oh, look, I'm in the poetry competition. Lucy, congratulations, so am I. So, the answer is very good, correct. Number 2. Lucy and Alice like reciting long poems. Let's check. Lucy asks Alice, have you got a long poem? Alice answers, no, I only have a short poem. So, Lucy and Alice like very good short poems, not long poems. So the answer is very good, false. Number 3. Number 3. Lucy and Alice do not agree that they are good at remembering long poems. Let's check. Lucy says, I'm not good at remembering long poems. Alice says, neither am I. So, the answer is great job, correct? Now, dear students, look at this example with me. Look, Alice here says, I only have a short poem. And Lucy says, so do I. What does Lucy mean when she says, so do I? What does she mean? Very good. She means that she has short poem too. So she agrees with Alice. She agrees with Alice in a positive sentence. I only have a short poem, so do I. Look at this conversation. Lucy says, I'm not good at remembering long poems. I am not good at remembering long poems. And Alice says, neither am I. Neither am I. What does Alice mean here? Great. She means she is not good at remembering long poems either. So, she agrees with Lucy. Very good. It's a kind of agreement with negative sentences. Now, here we will see how we can use so for agreeing. Look. Now look at this picture. This boy says, I am studying. I am studying. What about this one? Look, I am studying too. He does the same action. So, he is in the same situation. He agrees with the first. So, he can say it in another way. He can say, so am I. Start with so, then helping verb am, and then subject pronoun I. Look at this. Yes, she says, I am a student. I am a student. Look at this. That girl. She says, I am a student too. I am a student too. Both of them are students. So they are in the same situation. So she can say in another way, so am I. So am I. Here we start with so, then helping verb am, and then subject pronoun I. Let's see this one. Soha loves chocolate. Soha loves chocolate. Do you love chocolate? If your answer is yes, you agree with Soha. And you may say, I love chocolate too. So you agree with Soha. And also you can say, so do I. Soha loves chocolate. So do I. Start with so, helping verb do, and subject pronoun I. But here, the question here, where did we get do from? Let's check it together. I love chocolate. This is the present simple tense. This sentence is in the present simple tense. And the verb here, love, consists of two things. Yes, do, helping verb, and love, the main verb. So we put after so the helping verb do. Okay, class? Here, how can we form an agreement with positive sentences, as we have seen in the previous examples? Look, we use so, then helping verb, then subject, noun or pronoun. Let's study this example. Ali loves English. Ali loves English. I love English. I love English. Here you can say I love English in another way. So do I. Ali loves English. So do I. So, helping verb do, and the subject pronoun I. The second example, Ola is busy. Ola is busy. I am busy. Both of you are in the same situation. So you can say in another way, Ola is busy. So am I. So am I. So, helping verb am, and this subject pronoun I. Here, how do we use neither for agreeing? Look at this picture. This boy says, I am not hungry. I am not hungry. This is a negative sentence. What about the other? Yes, he says, I am not hungry either. I am not hungry either. Both of them are not hungry either. And both of them are in the same situation. The second one can say, I am not hungry either, or he can say this sentence in another way. Look, neither am I. The first one, I am not hungry. The second one, neither am I. Here, we start with neither and the helping verb am without not. Why? Because neither has the negative meaning and the subject pronoun I. Look at this example. Here, this boy, I do not like summer. I do not like summer. And the second boy, I do not like it. Both of them don't like summer either. And both of them are in the same situation. This is a negative sentence. So, the second boy can say, I do not like it in another way. Very good. Neither do I. I do not like summer. Neither do I. Start with neither. Helping verb do without not. And the subject pronoun I. Now, How can we form an agreement with negative sentences as we have seen in the previous examples? We use neither, then helping verb, then subject, noun or pronoun in negative sentences. Look at this example. Ali does not like football. This is negative sentence. When you agree with Ali, you will say, I do not like football. Or you can say, neither do I. Mariam doesn't like science. If you agree with Mariam, you will say, very good. Neither do I. Now, let's practice. Now, let's practice in your workbook. Open your workbook, page 75. Activity 1. What does Ahmed say to Omar? Use the words in the box. The words, so am I, neither am I, so do I, neither do I. At the first, remember, we use so with positive sentences and neither with negative sentences. Very good. Look at the first one. Here, Omar says, I'm good at math. If Ahmed agrees with Omar, he will say, I'm good at math too. And also we can say it with another way. Very good. With so am I. Excellent. Number 2. Omar says, I like reading. Ahmed agrees with Omar, so he will say, this is negative sentence or positive? Very good, positive sentence. So Ahmed will say, I like reading too. Can you tell me another answer? Very good. So do I. Number 3. I don't like spiders. If Ahmed agrees with Omar, he will say, I don't like spiders either. Also, we can say so, use so or neither. Very good, neither. So Ahmed will say, neither do I. Number 4. I'm not feeling well. If Ahmed agrees with Omar, he will say, excellent, neither am I. Neither am I. Number 5, 6, 7, and 8. Try to do this and then send to your teacher to correct your answer. This is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoy the lesson and got benefit. Thank you and see you next time, inshallah.